track. A lot of natural pictures.
Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Zach Attack 1, and we are at the last race.
All right, Zach, good luck.
The last race of the season.
Need the 4 strokes to victory. I might die. Oh, definitely gonna die.
Round 14, the finale in Harpersville, New York. WNYOA's last race of the season. Let's get ready to start in the AA class. Skivvies here. What am I riding? I'm on a 4-stroke. It's Tom's bike. We traded. He's riding my 300. I'm riding the 4-stroke. It's a 250F that I'm riding. Out this 4-stroke thing. Let's go over to see what Tom is doing in the Open B class. He's about to start on my bike.
Oh.
What the heck, Tom? What an embarrassment to my bike there. You can't represent it like that. Oh, no. I don't know what happened there.
I don't know what happened. The electric start. I kicked it. Holy cow, this thing's fast! Oh baby! Oh baby! I can't see anything! Whoa! Oh!
Oh! That's the sound everybody makes when they ride a 2-stroke.
2 smokes! Holy sugar!
Now this thing over here, this 4-stroke, I'm trying to figure it out. It's not that fast. Well, compared to the 300. You gotta be on it. You gotta be really on it.
Alright, I just gotta learn how to ride this bike. Alright, there they are. This isn't bad. Holy cow!
Hey!
Son of a bush! A giant pricker bush! Son of a gun!
Easy on her. That's $4 in damages.
Alright. Holy cow, this thing bounces! That wasn't kidding. Oh my God. Oh, jeez. That thing is gross. Smooth is fast. Smooth is fast. We'll just got some time to make up.
The rider in front of me is Anthony Howe. He's on a 150. So we got a little 250F versus a 152 stroke battle here going. This is going to be interesting. Tom is trying to take my job away and talk through the whole race. I don't even have to say anything. He does it for me.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with the throttle on this thing. Whoa!
All right, come on, Zach. I was a little cautious. I was a little too hesitant to make the pass. Granted, I'm on a different bike. I'm not fully comfortable to be out there sending her for the kids yet. Wow, look at these hotlines from Tom. I mean, he is... I'm kind of impressed. I'm gonna say it. He's doing pretty well on this thing. Now here, look at this. She's really dogging. I mean, on my 300 two-stroke, I would not have had that issue. I could roll on the gas. But this four-stroke, this 250F at least, you know, it doesn't have the balls to do that. So that's something I'm not used to. But I figured it out. That I gotta roll into things faster and be on the RPMs. That's all it takes. You gotta be on her. Let's check in on Tom.
Oh, hold on.
Never mind. I've caught back up to Anthony Howe here. Look at this awesome stuff down here. Beautiful terrain. What an awesome climb out of here. I'm starting to get used to this four-stroke, and I might be kind of liking it.
Oh, God. This is so difficult. Man, I feel like I have arm pump in my kneecaps. Is that a thing? arm pump in your kneecaps?
Last I checked, there's no arms in your kneecaps, so you really can't have arm pump in your kneecaps.
God dang, Zach, and you freaking idle is so freaking low. Idle's so freaking low on this thing. Son of a fricker. What the hell?
What is happening here?
What kind of a BS? Freaking note to self. Don't take that line.
Oh, Anthony gets a little held up. Woohoo!
Oh my God! That was a wall! What kind of sick human being put that in there?
I'm not gonna lie, that was a pretty steep wall there. Woo! Baby, that was fun.
Well, one, it bottomed out the bike, but two, my feet felt like they were gonna break. Oh shoot, I'm not on the trail. Yeah, this thing bounces you up.
Now notice that
Holy guacamole!
Tom is bouncing around here. I went through that same section without even having an issue at all on this 250F. And that tells me, my suspension on the 300 two-stroke there is not working right for me. Now, 81. The other thing is, first lap is done, by the way. The other thing is this bike right here doesn't have the air fork. It has the coil conversion done. There's a spring in it. So that is a big difference. Oh man, but I start charging and I'm getting a groove going. This thing is ripping. At least it feels like it. I don't know if I'm actually going that fast.
You okay? Well, he does not look okay. I apologize. I should have kept riding. Oh! Jesus! I think I just bopped her out. Man, Zach was not kidding. She likes to bobble.
We're in this pine section. This was very rooty. There were roots everywhere. They could send you flying too. Kind of sketchy. You had to be careful. Woo-hoo! And you'll learn here pretty soon that, well, we'll get to it. Tom comes through scoring. He's in 8th place in the Open B class. I'm starting to get used to this, baby.
Freaking maniac bike, man. Overshoot that by a lot.
Got a guy with an American flag here.
America! Woo!
That should be your pass call. America! And just pass people.
I'm a wild man on this two-stroke.
Thank you.
Look at Tom flying through here. You wouldn't believe. You can't see all the technical crap, I would say. It's the roots.
Jesus.
Oh, it was tough. But Tom is rolling, man. He's flying through this stuff.
Come on, baby. Hand, come back. Come on, baby. Hand, come back. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Hand, come back. Come on, baby. Hand, come back. We're going to come up with a song.
Hand, come back, baby. Oh, man. I missed two strokes. I didn't say that.
Oh, we have a confession. Tom is liking it.
Oh, God. Whoa, baby. I thought I was going to run him over.
That was scary.
Hey, it's our buddy Casey. Up here in front of Tom. Tom's going to make a pass on Casey here.
Thank you.
I don't know if you guys remember Casey from some of our adventure rides. Oh yeah, stuff her right through that. Tom, okay, you got to work on that pass call a little bit there, bud. Having some difficulty. He's not normally in the back. He's a fast rider, so I try keeping up with him. Scoring, second lap is done. I'm in 13th place. Excuse me. 13th place. That is pass call? Oh! Oh! Pine woods. There's roots everywhere. They've really gotten uncovered and are super slippery. Tough to see with the lighting as well. And I'm charging. I'm like going. Whoa! Oh. I go down. Get right back on the bike. I don't think anything of it until, well, until I realize, ow, 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 my hand hurts.
Ouch, my hand. Oh. Oh, I don't know. Oh, my hand. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Hold on.
There goes Justin. But I'm pulling off.
Oh, man. Oh, my hand. Go!
It's hurting. Woohoo, Tom. having a close call there.
Whoa.
Go, Mike! Oh. Woo, baby, my hand. Oh. Ouch. Heads up. Oh. I don't think I can grip.
There goes Andy Philmesker there. So ow. My palm, it was the very palm of my hand. And I think I landed on a root just right with my palm.
I hurt my hand a little bit, but it's all right. I mean, it's.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I can't grip right now. Yeah.
Oh, that's a cat.
Yeah, that's me.
He watches you on YouTube.
Oh, that's great. I'm all right. I think I just bumped my hand, but I figured I'd be. Yeah, I'm fine.
Are
So.
you the guy at 3 miles with the broken arm?
No, we're
No. I thought for a second there I thought I did. I just hit my hand.
What's happening with the bikes? You and Tom split or something?
Yeah.
Hey, there's Carter. He's working the event today. Now, I'm disappointed.
Hey, yo!
Tom's pass call will cheer me up. Man. Oh! Oh, man! Oh, that wasn't good.
This bike is squirrely yet stable. If that makes any sense.
Tom comes through scoring. He's in 3rd place. He went from 8th, which was last, to 3rd. I mean, he's doing well. So his camera dies, but Tom ends up finishing 3rd place just behind 2nd. So that was a good race for Tom, and he seemed to do very well on that 300. I think he needs a 2-stroke. But anyway, guys, that wraps up the season, the racing season. Now I'm going to do a recap video and just review this season because it was an off season for me. It was not too good, I'll be honest. So that's what we're going to talk about. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Next video, with no more racing going on, we're going to shift into some older content that I've had. I just haven't been able to work on it with races every weekend. So be sure to subscribe. You're going to see some backyard videos, some goofy videos coming. Thank you, guys. Give it a thumbs up. See you later.